Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SpeakMint English channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
I am Sarah, and as always, I am here with Ryan. Hi, Ryan.
Hi, Sarah. I am great today. Very, very happy.
Oh, wow. Why are you so happy today?
Because today's topic is my favorite topic in the whole world.
Really? Do you know what the topic is?
I have a feeling, is it about food?
No, Ryan, not food.
Is it about sleeping?
No, it is not about sleeping either.
Okay, tell me.
Today, we are talking about travel. How to talk about travel in English.
Yes, I knew it. Travel is my favorite topic. I love it.
And listener, do you like to travel? Or do you want to travel someday?
This episode is perfect for you. Stay with us.
We will learn how to talk about travel in simple, easy English.
Let's go.
But before we start, a small favor from us.
Please like this video right now. It really helps us a lot.
And subscribe to SpeakMint English so you never miss a new episode.
We make new videos every week, all for English learners like you.
And please share this video with one friend who is learning English.
Just one friend. Send it now. Go, go, go.
Thank you so much. Okay, now let's talk about travel.
Finally, let's do this.
So, Ryan, when we talk about travel in English, what do you think of first?
I think of airplane and suitcase and passport.
That is great. Those are all very good travel words.
And I think of food, trying new food in new places.
Of course you think about food, Ryan.
Food is important, you know?
Yes. Okay, so today we will learn how to talk about travel.
Like where you want to go, what you want to do, how you feel about traveling.
Exactly. These are things you say in real life, with friends, at school, at work.
Someone asks, "Do you like to travel?" And now you will know what to say.
Yes, in simple, easy English.
I am excited. Let's start.
Okay, part 1. Where do you want to travel?
Oh, this is easy. I want to go to Japan.
Japan, that is a beautiful choice.
Yes, I want to see Tokyo and eat sushi, of course.
Of course. So you can say, I want to travel to blank.
Or, I want to go to blank. Both are correct.
Yes, for example, I want to travel to Japan. Or, I want to go to Italy.
Simple sentence, very natural.
You can also say, my dream country is blank.
Oh, I like that. My dream country is Japan. That sounds nice.
It does sound nice, very warm.
Listener, where do you want to travel?
Say it now. I want to travel to blank.
Say your dream country out loud. Go ahead.
Did you say it? Perfect. That was great. Now, our first vocabulary word. The word is destination.
Destination. That is a new word for me.
The word destination means the place you want to go to.
For example, my destination is Paris.
Yes, or what is your travel destination?
Destination. I like this word. It sounds exciting.
Say it with us. Destination.
Destination. One more time. Destination.
Good. Remember this word. You will use it a lot. Okay, part 2. Why do you want to travel?
Good question.
People travel for many reasons. Can you think of some?
Yes, to see new places, to try new food, to meet new people.
Great. Those are all very good reasons.
And some people travel for work or for family.
Exactly. So you can say, I want to travel because.
For example, I want to travel because I love new food.
Or, I want to travel because I want to see beautiful places.
Or, I travel for work. My job takes me to different cities.
All of these are correct, simple and clear.
Listener, why do you want to travel?
Think about your reason. Say it. I want to travel because.
Take your time. Think about it. Then say it out loud.
There is no wrong answer. Every reason is a good reason. Now, our next word. The word is explore.
Explore. I know this word. Like to discover new things.
Yes, The word explore means to go to new places and learn about them.
For example, I want to explore the streets of Rome.
Or, let's explore this new city together.
Explore. That is a beautiful word.
Say it. Explore.
Explore.
Good. Explore. Remember it. Part 3. What do you want to do when you travel?
Oh, so many things. I want to eat local food. Always the food first.
Ryan and his food.
What? Food is important, you know?
Yes. Okay. I want to visit museums and take many photos.
Oh, yes. Photos are very important.
So you can say, when I travel, I want to,
For example, when I travel, I want to try local food.
or when I travel, I want to visit old buildings.
Or I want to meet local people and talk to them.
All of these sound very natural.
Listener, what do you want to do when you travel?
Say it. When I travel, I want to.
Is it food? Is it sightseeing? Is it shopping?
Say your answer out loud right now.
We are waiting. Go.
Now, our next word. The word is adventure.
Adventure. Oh, I love this word.
The word adventure means an exciting experience, something new and different.
For example, traveling is a big adventure for me.
Or every new city is a new adventure.
Adventure. Yes, that is exactly how travel feels.
Say it. Adventure.
Adventure.
Good. Keep that word. You will use it a lot. Part 4. How do you travel? By plane, by train, by car?
I like to travel by plane. It is fast.
Yes, and I like to travel by train sometimes. You can see the countryside.
Oh, that is nice. Slow travel. I like that idea.
So you can say, I travel by,
For example, I travel by plane. Or I travel by train.
or I like to travel by car. I can stop anywhere I want.
Oh, that is a good one. Road trips are so fun.
Yes, a road trip is when you travel a long distance by car.
Road trip. Nice word.
Listener, how do you like to travel?
Say it. I like to travel by.
Plane, train, bus, car? What is your answer?
Say it out loud. Come on.
Now, our next word. The word is journey.
Journey. Like the trip itself?
Yes, the word journey means the time you spend traveling from one place to another.
For example, the journey from New York to London is 7 hours.
Or the journey was long but very beautiful.
Journey. I like that. It sounds poetic.
Very poetic, Ryan.
Journey. Say it with me. Journey.
Journey. Good. Part 5. How do you feel about traveling?
Oh, I feel very excited. Always excited.
That is great, but some people feel nervous too, right?
Yes, traveling to a new place can be a little scary sometimes.
Exactly, and both feelings are normal.
You can say, I feel excited about traveling.
Or, I feel a little nervous, but I am ready.
Or, traveling makes me feel free.
Oh, I love that one. Traveling makes me feel free.
It is true. When you travel, you feel free and happy.
Listener, how do you feel about traveling?
Excited? Nervous? Happy? Say it.
Traveling makes me feel fill in the blank.
Go ahead. Say it out loud right now.
Now, our last vocabulary word. The word is culture.
Culture. What does that mean exactly?
The word culture means the way of life of a group of people. Their food, music, language, traditions.
Oh, like when you travel to Japan, you see Japanese culture.
Exactly. For example, I love learning about new cultures when I travel.
Or every country has a beautiful and different culture.
Culture. Say it. Culture.
Culture.
Good. That is a very important word for travel conversations. Okay, let's do a quick recap. Let's remember everything from today.
Yes, I love the recap. Let's go.
Part 1, where you want to travel. You say, I want to travel to.
My answer is Japan. Always Japan. The food is amazing.
Part 2, why you want to travel. You say, I want to travel because.
Because of the food, obviously.
Ryan, it is not always about food.
For me it is.
Part 3, what you want to do. You say, when I travel, I want to.
Visit new places, try new food, meet new people, all of it.
Part 4, how you travel. You say, I like to travel by.
Plain for me. Fast and comfortable. I like it.
And part 5, how you feel about travel. You say, traveling makes me feel.
Free and happy and a little hungry because of the food again.
Okay, Ryan, we get it. You love food.
I do. I really do.
And now, a special moment just for you, listener.
We want to say something from the heart.
Learning English is not always easy. We know that.
I know that very well. I still make mistakes every single day.
Really, Ryan?
Yes. One time I was at an airport. I wanted to say, "Where's the gate?"
Okay, and what happened?
I said, "Where's the goat?" instead of gate. Goat.
Oh no, a goat at the airport.
The lady looked at me like I was crazy.
That is so funny. But Ryan, that is a very normal mistake.
Yes, and I laughed, and I learned. And now I never forget the word gate.
That is the point. Mistakes help you remember.
So do not be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward.
Small steps are okay. You are doing great.
Practice every day. Even 5 minutes. That is enough.
And with every video, your English gets stronger and stronger.
We are proud of you. Seriously, you are amazing.
Before we say goodbye, please go to the comment section.
Yes, write one thing. Tell us, where do you want to travel?
Write your dream destination in the comments, in English.
Just one sentence. I want to travel to blank. Easy.
We read every single comment, and we love it.
Also, please subscribe to SpeakMint English if you have not already.
New episodes every week, all for English learners just like you.
And share this video with one friend who is learning English.
One friend, right now. Send it.
It is a free gift, and the best kind of gift.
Okay, everyone, that is all for today.
What a great episode. I really enjoyed this one, Sarah.
Me too, Ryan. Travel is such a beautiful topic.
And now our listeners can talk about travel in English. So cool.
Yes, you are ready. Go out there and talk about your travel dreams.
In English with confidence. You can do it.
Thank you so much for watching and practicing with us today.
You are wonderful, and your English is getting better every single day.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Safe travels. Take care.